Did I dye my hair just to look better in videos? Yeah! Okay, so this is my hair beforehand. It's wavy and stuff just because that's how it is, like, naturally, because I didn't straighten it or anything. And my bangs curl up too, so they're a mess. I'm gonna get them trimmed as well. Yeah, this will be the first time I've ever dyed my hair, so that'll be crazy. Also, sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm like super excited though. If there's anything after this of me actually at the place, then I took it on my phone and it's terrible quality. So now it's been a few days and this is what my hair looks like. I got this done on Friday and today is Monday, so it's been a few days. I didn't wash it for a few days just to like really help set the color, you know, and then today I finally washed it. It was crazy like how much dye came out of it. I seriously thought it was just gonna be its regular color again. Although this side was bleached, so it would just be blonde if the red came out. But the black was just my natural hair color. Sorry if I keep looking over here. My viewfinder, you know, I don't know how to just not look at myself. Anyways, this is what it looks like, and now I'll have some like close-up clips. It was like around 130 to get this done. Like I got it done professionally, which I'm really glad I did because I think if I did it at home it would have turned out really bad. So, you know, it was honestly, it was worth it. A lot of people have complimented it. It's so like, this is the first time I've ever done anything crazy with my hair. First time I've done anything at all. I've never really like ever had anybody like compliment me on anything or mention anything about like my appearance that's positive at least. So having like red and black hair, people are always like, wow, your hair's like really cool. I'm like, thanks. Like I don't know how to take compliments. Yeah, overall I'd say totally worth it. Definitely if you're thinking about like doing this, definitely just do it. I love my hair so much. I think it turned out really good. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So I think that's about it for this video. So I think, bleh. That's kind of like a TikTok meme, kind of, if you're wondering. You weren't though.